Good day everyone. This is to show you how to replace the reverse osmosis water filters. Okay, so for the reverse osmosis water filtration system, we normally have 5 filters to be replaced periodically. So first, we have the polypropylene filter to be replaced every 3 months. Ang next po ay we have this coconut shell activated carbon filter every 6 months. Next naman po is the block activated carbon filter. Every 6 months din po dapat palitan. And ito pong post activated carbon filter or T33, which is to be replaced naman every 6 months. And lastly, this is the reverse osmosis filter na should be replaced every 1 to 2 years naman po. So the tools that we are going to use in replacing the filters are these. So we have the big and the small spanner. Normally kasama po yan siya sa machine natin. Then next, we have the screwdriver and the long nose. Yan po. So now, we are going to show you how to replace each filters. So now, we are going to put the new filters. For the second filter, the rubber should be on top. So this is how you tighten the filter casing. So we are done with the 3 filters. Now let's proceed to replace the last two remaining filters using the screwdriver. In order to remove the T33 filter casing, we have to push this part up like this and pull this pipe down like that. Same thing on the other side. Push this up and pull the pipe down. And then pull this. In order to open the filter case, we need to remove the elbow connector using the screwdriver like this. Push it up like this. Now we are going to attach the new T33 filter. So we have to put it back. This two elbow connectors, we have to push it hard to avoid leaks like this, okay, and return it back to its proper place like this, and then connect the piping to the elbow connector and push it hard to avoid leaks. That's it. The last part, we are going to replace the reverse osmosis membrane. Now, the tools that we are going to use are the small spanner and the long nose. In order to remove or open the reverse osmosis membrane casing, we need to do the same thing again. Remove the elbow connector by pushing the elbow connector up and pulling the pipe down. To open the casing, we have to use the small spanner and open it clockwise like this. Have to pull the membrane by squeezing left and right and pull it using the long nose. The new reverse osmosis membrane that we have to put it inside the casing. Push it hard and close. And lock it using the small spanner like this. By holding this side and firm it, closing it like that. And then we have to attach back the connector, the elbow connector to the pipe. Push it hard. That's it. That's how you are going to replace the reverse osmosis water filtration system filters. Thank you for watching.